Today in this video I'm going to discuss the addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of a mixed numbers. So first of all I would like to start with the addition of our mixed numbers. So let me write a question first, that is 1 whole 4 by 9 plus 1 whole 2 by 9. Let me solve this question. And how we solve this question? It is very easy. First of all, I would like to convert my whole numbers into improper fractions. So let me try to convert this first into a mixed fraction. When I'm going to convert this into a mixed fraction, I would like to multiply this 9 with 1. So 9 ones are 9, and then we add this 4, so we get 13 by 9. So the improper fraction of 1 whole 4 by 9 will be 13 by 9, and the improper fraction, that is 1 whole 2 by 9, that is a mixed number, so we get the improper for this is, that is 11 by 9. In the next step, that it is seen that both the numbers in a denominator are 9, so the LCM of these number will be also 9, because when a number of the both the in a denominator are same, then we write only the those number will be the LCM of the both the numbers. Again, next step is that we have to divide this 9 by this 9, so we get 1. So I write that 1 over here, and that one would be multiplied with 13, because we have divided this 9 by this 9, so we have to multiply the answer with the numerator of the same number through which we have divided our LCM. Again, we have to divide this 9 by this 9, so we get again 1, and that one would be multiplied with the 11. So as we have completed this line, so we have to multiply 13 with 1, that is 13, and 11 with 1, we get 11 divided by 9. So in next step we have to add these numbers 13 and 11, so we get 34 divided by 9. So as we have 34 divided by 9, so we have to divide 34 by 9, because 34 is an improper fraction and our question is in a mixed number, so the result should also be, if the answer is in improper, so the result would be must be converted into mixed fraction. So I write that 9 threes are 27, because on 9 fours are, it give me 36, so the answer is 7. Next we have to follow the cyclic method, that is we have discussed earlier in a previous video. So the answer will be 3 whole 7 by 9. This is the final answer of the above question. Next we have another question, that is question number 2. I will explain this question by 3 methods for addition of mixed number, that is 2 whole 3 by 4 plus 3 whole 1 by 6. So let me first solve by, this is my method 1. Let me solve this by method 1. So it is for every method it is mandatory that we have to convert this question into improper fraction. So let me multiply 4 with 2, which is 8, and 8 plus 3, that is give us 11. So I write this 11 by 4. Next I have to multiply 6 with 3, that is 18. 18 plus 1, that would be 19 by 6. Okay, here I would like to explain the method 1 by explaining method 1. In a method 1, I would do this by finding the LCM of the below numbers. So whenever we solve this question, so if we have 4 and 6, I would recommend you that you have to do this type of LCM, that is 4 and 6. First of all, we divide these numbers by 2, so we get 2 divided by 2, 4 divided by 2, we get 2, and when we divide 6 by 2, so we get 3. Again we can divide this by 2, because we have one number in LCM, we can divide these numbers. So when 2 divided by 2 we get 1, and 3 cannot divisible by 2, so we write 3 again below the line. Next we have to divide this by 3, so we get 1, and last we have all the number must be alike, it seems like ones, and the LCM would be the multiplication of these numbers, which I am going to circle in front of you. These are the numbers which gives us the LCM when we multiply these numbers. So that is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. So 2 2s are 4, this gives 4, and 4 multiplied by 3, that is 12. So here our LCM is 12. Clear? It is clear that our LCM is 12. Next we have to divide this 12 by this denominator, which is next we have to divide 12 by 4. So we get 12 when we divide 12 by 4, so we get 3, and this 3 would be multiplied with numerator of the above number, that is 11. Then we have to plus these numbers. Again we have to divide this 12 by this denominator, that is 6. So I would like to divide 12 by 6, so we get 2 6 are 12, and this 2 will be multiplied with numerator that is above the number, that is 19. So next step is that we have to multiply these numbers, which is very mandatory for us. So when we multiply 3, like we have to multiply 3 with 11, so we get 33. Here we get 33 plus, and whenever we multiply 19 with 2 we get 38. So this is 38 divided by 12. Next we have to add 33 and 38. So we have to add 33 with 38, so we get 71. We get 71 divided by 12. As I told you before, that whenever we get this type of numbers, that is that would be like I would like to say 17 by 12. So we have to convert this type of questions into a mixed fraction. So I would like to divide this 71 by 12. So whenever we divide 71 by 12, we get 12 5s are 60, because on 12 6 are it gives us 72. So this is the final answer, and then we follow the cycle. The cycle is that the cycle will be 5 whole 11 by 12, which is the method 1 of this question. Now we have second method for this question, that is we have to convert this first into improper fraction. So as we have discussed previously in previous method, that 2 whole 3 by 4 will be 11 by 4, and 3 whole 1 by 6 will be 19 by 6. Okay. In the next step, that we have to make the denominator same, and that would be the nearest numbers which is divisible by both the number. So if I make the denominator equal to 12, so that would be the, because 4 divide 12 and 6 also divide 12, and this is the least number which is divisible by 4 and 6 in combined. So I would like to make 4 is 12, so I have to multiply 4 with 3. Similarly, I would multiply 3 with 11. In a case of 19 by 6, I would like to make 6 as a 12, so I multiply 6 with 2, and the 2 will multiply with 19 too, because whenever we add something in a mathematics to the numbers, in addition we have to write plus minus, and in a division and multiplication we write multiply and divide the same numbers in a numerator and denominator. So I have multiplied 2 with the 19 and 2 with the 6. So in the next step we just clearly seen that the answer will be 11 threes are 33, and this would be 12 plus. In this number we have 19 multiplied by 2, which is 38, and 6 multiplied by 2, that is 12. In question number 1, we have discussed that whenever we have same denominator of both the numbers, the LCM will be same. So I write this as a 12. This 12 divide this this 12 will be divided by this 12. So we get 1, and that 1 would be multiplied with the numerator, that is 33. Similarly, this 12, again this 12 will be divided by this 12. So we get 30. So we get 1. We get 1, which is multiply with the that one would be multiplied with the 38. So 1 multiplies 33, that is 33, and 1 multiply 38, that is 38, and this is divided by 12. So the answer would be 71 divided by 12. And next method, we have to convert 71 divided by 12 into a mixed fraction. So I would like to divide 12 by 71 by 12. So we get, when we multiply 12 with the 5, we get 60, and 60 minus 71, we get 11. And now again with that method, that cyclic method, we get 5 whole 1 by 12. That is, this is the cyclic method which I have explained before. So this is the answer of the second method. This is the techniques that we are going to follow to solve such type of questions. Now this is a third method to solve the mixed fractions. So we have a question that is 2 whole 1 by 2 plus 5 whole 1 by 4. So first of all, I would like to convert this into improper fraction. So when 2 multiplied by 2, that gives us 4, and 4 plus 1, that is 5 by 2. Next we have addition of this, so I write here. Next we have to multiply 5 with 4. 4 5s are 20, and 20 with, we have to plus with 1, so we get 21 divided by 4. In method third, it is mandatory to know that whenever in a denominator we have like such type of numbers which are came in same tables, like 2 and 4. 2 and 4 are came in a same table, that is 2 and 4. We have, if we consider that both are in the same table, that is 2. So in this method, we only select those number for LCMs which are greater in between those two denominators. So in this question we have we take 4 as an LCM, because in 2 and 4, 4 is a greater number. So next we have to divide 4 by 2. We have to divide this 4 by 2. So whenever we divide 4 by 2, we get 2. So that 2 would be multiply with the 5. So here this 2 multiply with 5, and whenever we divide this 4 by 4, we get 1, and that 1 would be multiplied with 21. So this is the multiplication of these numbers. When we multiply 2 with 5, 5 2s are 10, and 21 1s are 21. So divide by 4, we get when we plus 21 with the 10, we get 31 divided by 4. Next we have to convert this 21 divided by 4 into a mixed fraction, because the number is improper, because 31 is greater than 4, and as per definition it is improper. So we have to convert this into mixed fraction. So 31 divided by 4. 4 7s are 28. Whenever minus 31 minus 28, we get 3, and we follow a cyclic method. The answer will be 7 whole 3 by 4. This is the answer of the above question, and this is method number 3. We have a same technique we use for subtraction. like if we have if we replace this by negative sign. So we have to follow all these three methods which I have discussed in this video. So for all the methods we can solve this. For subtraction 2 we have method 1, method 2 and method 3 which were discussed, and just by replacing plus by minus we can solve the subtraction of those questions. So this is all over. As I told you that I would discuss the addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of a whole number, so it is not possible in this video because the length is going on. So I will discuss the multiplication and division in our next video. Thank you.